When we tune inward and acknowledge the divine wise mind, the teacher within, we are then able to hear the subtle yet clear messages from Spirit. We recognize that we are the channel from which the stream of consciousness flows through. The universe speaks in energy, vibration, frequency, sounds, tones, signs, signals, symbols, and numbers. And this is a language that we can all understand. This intelligence is built within us, and the body can decode the messages it carries. We can choose to be open, to listen, to hear, or play dumb, numb, and blind to its intelligence. We know all is well in the jungle when the mice is eating its greens and the birds are singing, calling out to their mate. But we also know when there's danger around by the tone of their sound. When we are in tune with ourselves, the universe, and with nature, our senses become heightened and awoke to our surrounds. We know when something feels off or seems out of place. We even notice the behavior of the animals and the messages they are communicating to us. Has it ever happened to you that you were thinking about someone and a minute later your phone rings and it's that very person calling you? Or you were listening to a podcast and you know just what the person is about to say? I would so love it if you can tell me again that the rain is coming. Even with the tones that we hear in our ears, we may not know what they are, or what they mean, or even where they come from. But our body, as a technology that it is, can decode these light codes, upgrades, and DNA activations that we are receiving. Like a software or files that were downloaded in a computer, but you didn't know they were there or what their function was. When one day, out of nowhere, you find them and you just know where, when, and how to apply them. This energy, intelligence, and technology that we are and are made of is our compass and guide. We can learn to trust it or be deceived by our ignorance. Dreams are also messages that come to us when the chatter of the conscious mind is sleeping and what is unconscious is made known. And when you wake up, you can receive guidance as to what the message in the dream was about. When we go to sleep, we don't know if we will wake up the next day. We don't know where the soul will travel to. So I guess we can agree that there is a supreme intelligence that we are always connected to, a network that never disconnects, a signal that never gets lost, and a power that never shuts off. The universe will deliver the message you are meant to receive by any means necessary in order to get your attention. So take a deep breath in and observe. Know when to stretch, when to fold, when to move, and when to be still. Exhale. So